How to make delicious mashed potatoes. The main enemy of mashed potatoes is excess moisture. Wet mashed potatoes lose the necessary airy texture and poorly absorb butter and cream. There are two ways to solve this problem. The first is the method of Joel Robuchon, whose mashed potatoes have become almost the most famous dish. First, you need to lay the unpeeled potatoes on a tray, thickly sprinkle with sea salt, and send them to an oven heated to 180 degrees Celsius for 1 to 1.5 hours. Salt here will play the role of a spong, absorbing the very hostile excess moisture. After the potatoes are ready, they cool down like bread. Wrap it in towels to again avoid condensation of moisture during cooling. And then peel off the skin and pass through the smallest sieve, turning it into a kind of crumbs. Next, in a frying pan with this potato crumb, standing on the lowest heat, small cubes of frozen butter are thrown and consistently rubbed into the potatoes with a silicone spatula. If this method is difficult for you, you can make it easier. Boil the potatoes as you are used to, and, carefully draining the water, return the pot with it on the fire for a couple of minutes so that the moisture evaporates and the potatoes dry out. It is still better to add frozen butter. Hot potatoes absorb cold butter as readily as a lost person in the desert absorbs a sip of clean water.